Welcome to the Fleet Safety Quiz. How much do you know? Let's find out. As you watch, write down and check your answer. What is the primary goal of a fleet safety program? Increase vehicle speed, reduce operating costs, prevent accidents and injuries, or ensure vehicles are brand new. Prevent accidents and injuries. What should drivers check during a pre-trip vehicle inspection? Tire pressure, lights and fluid levels, vehicle color, radio stations, or passenger seating capacity. Tire pressure, lights and fluid levels. What is the recommended following distance for a car traveling at 55 miles per hour in normal conditions? 1 second, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 7 seconds? Three seconds. When driving in adverse weather conditions, you should maintain the same speed, increase following distance, use high beams at all times, or avoid using turn signals. Increase following distance. What is a leading cause of distracted driving accidents? Checking mirrors, adjusting the air conditioning, using a mobile phone, or wearing sunglasses. Using a mobile phone. How often should fleet vehicles undergo routine maintenance? Only when an issue arises. Every 12 months, according to the manufacturer's recommendations, or every time they are refueled. According to the manufacturer's recommendations. What is the most important factor in preventing fatigue-related crashes? Drinking coffee, listening to loud music, getting adequate rest, or keeping the windows open? Getting adequate rest. What does the acronym SMITH in the Smith System of Driving stand for? Stay mindful in traffic habits, safety management in transportation hubs, space, mirrors, indicators, traction, hazard, or aim high, keep eyes moving, get the big picture. Aim high, keep eyes moving, get the big picture. What should drivers do if they experience brake failure while driving? Shift to a higher gear, pump the brakes and use the parking brake, turn off the engine, or accelerate to avoid an accident. Pump the brakes and use the parking brake. What is the purpose of defensive driving? To avoid collisions by anticipating hazards, to navigate routes faster, to overtake slower drivers, or to reduce fuel consumption. To avoid collisions by anticipating hazards. Which of the following is not a common fleet safety policy? Prohibiting mobile phone use while driving, mandatory drug and alcohol testing, regular training on road rage techniques, or requiring seatbelt use. Regular training on road rage techniques. What is a common indicator of unsafe driving behavior? Frequent lane changes, keeping a steady speed, using turn signals consistently, or maintaining proper following distance. Frequent lane changes. Why is proper loading of cargo important in fleet safety? It speeds up deliveries. It minimizes the risk of vehicle rollover. It makes the vehicle more aerodynamic, or it reduces insurance costs. It minimizes the risk of vehicle rollover. What should drivers do when approaching a railroad crossing? Speed up to cross quickly. Stop at the crossing even if no train is visible. Look and listen for trains before crossing, or rely on automatic gates to ensure safety. Look and listen for trains before crossing. Which type of distraction involves taking your hands off the wheel? Cognitive distraction, visual distraction, manual distraction, or auditory distraction? Manual distraction. What is one way to reduce fuel consumption in a fleet? Driving aggressively, regular maintenance of vehicles, increasing idle time, or using premium fuel. Regular maintenance of vehicles. What is the safest way to navigate a roundabout? Enter without yielding. Signal upon entry and exit. Drive in the outer lane only, or stop in the middle of the roundabout. Signal upon entry and exit. Why is it important to keep emergency equipment in fleet vehicles? To comply with company regulations, to enhance vehicle resale value, to respond quickly to emergencies, or to reduce driver workload. To respond quickly to emergencies. What is the primary purpose of fleet telematics systems? Entertain drivers on long trips, monitor and improve driver behavior, increase vehicle load capacity, or track fuel expenses. Monitor and improve driver behavior. What is the best action to take in a skid? Brake hard immediately. Steer in the direction you want the vehicle to go. Accelerate out of the skid, or turn the steering wheel sharply. Steer in the direction you want the vehicle to go. How many of the 20 questions did you get correct? Thanks for watching and stay safe.